So, Yamina, here's another question from our viewer who is saying that any suggestions for me because I have applied in Food Service Supervisor 62020 NOC code Alberta, applied in 19th May 2024, PR support LMIA, still waiting for LMIA approval. So, the question is that what I need to do for LMIA process. Please help me with this.
So I'm really happy you were able to get your application in for the LMIA for PR. As you may know, that program has now closed. So I'm really happy you were able to get your application in before the LMIA closed. Now, generally, the PR LMIAs, they do take a while to process, but not over 1 year. That is a really, really long time for an LMIA for PR to process. So I really think you need to check in on the application. I would check in with your employer if it's the employer who has applied for you to ask them what's going on. If you have access to the application, I would also call IRCC. I would leave a web form. If you are able to check online, I would check online. If you are able to contact the representative who is dealing with this LMIA, I would contact them. If you have a member of parliament that you are working with in Canada, I would also get in touch with them. If you have exhausted all of those avenues, it's a good idea for you to consider a mandamus application. This is a court litigation that we do a lot in my office, where we actually sue the government to speed up the process. So I really think that if you are not able to get this resolved through more minor methods, a court litigation might be a good idea. And we are very successful with these litigations at my law firm.
All right, that's wonderful. Thank you so much, Amina, for your answer.
You know why I'm vacationing in Dubai right now? Because I stopped drowning in RFEs, intake calls, and late night filings. I used to hire freelancers who barely knew what a G28 was. Total chaos. Then I found IMI support, virtual immigration paralegals trained in real case prep, docket-wise, and USCIS workflows. Now my calendar's clean, my clients are happy, and my firm runs while I relax. You can hustle or you can outsource smart. I chose freedom. I chose IMI support.